And here we go. I'll hit the on button. And this is the white color. Next, let's check out blue. That's blue. Next, let's check out green. And then, of course, red. And now let's check out some of the cool features here. This is flash. Hello, my name is Caroline, and in this video I am doing an unboxing and a setup of the Teckin Light Strip. This particular light strip is 16.4 feet or 5 meters long. We will unbox and set this up in this video. Now let's get started. And here is the unboxing of the Teckin RGB Light Strip. And let's see, there is a user manual and there is a remote control, and it gives you little notes here. This particular light strip is 16.4 feet or 5 meters. Here we go. Here is the remote control, on, off, different colors. And there is a battery, I believe, and I think you just pull this little plastic piece out. There's a battery already installed. All right, that's ready to go. And of course, there is a plug, and this is the US version of the plug, of course. Now, from the reviews I read online, I believe it is better to always purchase a longer strip than what you need, or if you can find it in the exact size you need, which is highly unlikely, do that. And then you can cut it at this cut line, and there are quite a few cut lines available to you if you do need to make it shorter. Now, according to the instructions, these items are if you do cut it apart and you do need to put it back together again, or if you need to extend it, this is what you use to extend it, and you can connect the wires after you cut it right here. Now, would I recommend buying 2 strips and then adding them together? No, I don't think that's a good idea. I think this is more if you needed to change the configuration after you've already cut your line. The other thing I want to note about this light strip is that there is a 3M adhesive on the back, and you can peel this off and then stick it to the application that you need. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, most of the time when I do these setup videos, it includes the Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Now, this particular light strip that was sent to me is not compatible with Alexa, but I will plug it in to my Teckin Smart Plug that I received a while back ago, and I will link over to a video in the description field below where I set up this Teckin Smart Plug, and I will do this with the Alexa in this video, but that is not how this works out of the box. Now here we go with the easy part. Now I've got my light strip. They purposely do this. One of the most common applications for this light strip is to put it over your cabinets in your kitchen. And the way I had to do that was I'm using the outlet that was set up for my microwave, and then I drilled a hole through the top of the cabinet. Then I lay down the strip on top of my kitchen cabinets, and then I feed this through the top of the kitchen cabinets, and then I plug it into the light strip on top. And then let's plug this in and see if this works. Oh, look at that. Wow. And it blinks. Look at this. This is pretty wild here. All right, let's take a look at this remote control. See here, here's the white. There we go. That's the red. Here's the yellow. It seems like I have to point it at the device for it to work. Pink, red, green, blue, yellow, orange, flashing, all right, which is kind of the default when I turned it on. There's strobe, then there's fade, and then there is smooth. And then you can also change the intensity, the up right here, and then the down. And these are the different colors and options you get with this remote. Turn this on white. All right, so now that it's on white, I'm gonna unplug this for a second. And now I'm gonna plug it into my Teckin Smart Plug. Now we're gonna try this with her, and we're gonna say, Alexa, turn on light. There it goes. And then I'm gonna say, Alexa, turn off light. And that is how you control this with Alexa. I will link over to my previous video where I set up this Teckin Smart Plug, and it works great with this Teckin Light Strip. Now, if you need to cut it down, of course, so just unroll this. Now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna unroll this and we're gonna attach this to our kitchen cabinet. But if you don't have a Teckin Smart Plug, then I would recommend you just use the remote. Keep that remote handy and you can turn it on or off using the remote, and then you can control the light. So let's say I turned it on, and the way that it's going to work with the Amazon Echo is, let's say I like the green color. So I'm set it to green, then I'm going to say, Alexa, turn off 3D light. There it goes, and then when I turn it back on again, it should be green again. Alexa, turn on 3D light. And there you go. So whatever it's last set to when you're turning it on and off, with the Smart Plug, it will be that color. Lots of great uses for light strips. Some people put them underneath their bed as underbed lighting so they can see if they have to get up in the middle of the night without disturbing the other person in their bed. And then for me, I will put this above my kitchen cabinet. And this is my kitchen. I've got it set up. Now let's check out the white. Let's check out the flash. Look at that. Let's check out blue. Next, let's check out strobe. Let's check out green. And here is fade. And let's check out red. There is red. And let's also check out smooth. And that is smooth. And there are other cool colors like pink and yellow. And that is a quick demo. I have this set up above my kitchen cabinet. And that is the Teckin Light Strip, 16.4 feet or 5 meters. And it works with this remote control, and you could set it up with the Teckin Smart Plug, which I will link to below if you want to control this with your Amazon Echo device or Google Home. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye now.